I will be guiding you on how to make money using Canva and ChatGPT. This is especially for social media managers, influencers, and social media marketing, as well as for freelancers who would like to venture out on this kind of niche. So let's get started. First, let's go to chatgpt.com. All you need to do is open your browser, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, any would do. And let's open ChatGPT. Just go to chat.openai.com, and then you would be routed to the page. And after that, just sign in or sign up if you don't have an account yet, and you will be routed to this browser basically, or this page. All right. For those who do not know, ChatGPT is actually a chatbot that gives human-like responses. And for today's video, let's try to be in the shoes of a business owner. Okay, and who the business owner has a clothing store and would like to make use of ChatGPT and Canva. So I would like to generate ideas on an Instagram post to boost my marketing strategy and to let people be enticed in my Instagram page. So, what are we going to do in here? Here, to start a new chat, you can actually click on the new chat button, or to make it simpler, you could just type it in this small rectangular box. And for example, let's be very specific. So, I am a clothes store owner. Give me some ideas of Instagram posts. All right. All right. And there we are just going to wait for ChatGPT to respond to our question, and it takes a bit of time. All right. There you have it. Okay. So as you can see, it's starting to show some answers. All right. And basically, ChatGPT is giving you a lot of ideas, as we can see here, for the Instagram post that we would like to have. Okay. But basically, we're just going to choose one from the given ideas that ChatGPT is suggesting to us. And with that, for example, we would like to make a carousel post. All right. It's showing a lot of ideas, basically. Okay. So among these, let's just choose one idea. As for me, I will say I'm going to choose number 4, like offer styling tips. So with the styling tips that we're going to offer, we're going to make a carousel post out of it. Okay. But in making a carousel post, we still don't have any idea what we are going to post or what slides we're going to show on Instagram. So what we're going to do is let's just wait for it to finish. Okay. Right. Since it's showing a lot, let's just stop generating it. Okay. And here, so since we have a lot of ideas, as you can see in here, we can say like make a 5 slide Instagram carousel post of Then paste the topic that you chose. Mine was number 4. Offer styling tips, create short videos or posts that offer tips and tricks for styling your clothes in different ways. And click enter. There you have it. It's showing the suggestions again. Right. So basically, it will only give you an idea. You don't really necessarily need to follow everything in here. Just get the gist and copy and paste it so that you will have a um, something to look after for your post. Okay, let's copy it. Now let's open canva.com. Canva.com is actually a platform where you can edit your Instagram posts, your stories, make it more creative. And now in Canva actually has document. So let's click on the document part of Canva. Once it shows up, let's paste all the slide information. Okay, we don't need ChatGPT now. Let's go over Canva. And now, since we're going to make a carousel pose, as I mentioned a while ago, let's go to the upper right hand corner of the platform and click Create Design. Under that one, we're going to click on Instagram Post Square. All right. Now you can see here that we have a blank page and there is also like design in the left hand corner of the platform. So since we're a clothes store business, or we're in the clothing business basically, we're just gonna search carousel Instagram posts for clothing. Okay. All right. And afterwards, it will show you various and different templates that you can choose from to start off with your, oh, I'm so sorry. I think I made a mistake there. Carousel Instagram post. There you have it. Okay. So you can see all the various templates that you can choose from. By the way, if you see that tiny crown below the template, it means that it's for Canva Pro users. You need to pay for a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription for that one. But if you're just using Canva for free, then you can use the templates that are actually just that do not have this crown button below. All right. So since I'm using Canva for free, we're gonna use the one that does not have a um, tiny button in here. Okay. All right. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one as my template. Here you have it. Or this one. Yeah. So okay. So just click on apply all 5 pages and you can okay. And you can actually edit and replace all the letters, all the words. You can also like style the color of your desired picture or whatnot. Yeah. And there you can change the pictures, uh the font as I mentioned, and there you have it. You can make it. You can make a carousel post afterwards. So how do we save this one? So what you need to do in order if you're done, also please check on the slides or the ideas, by the way, and make use of it and just input it here. All right. And afterwards, what you need to do is like click on share if you're done editing, if you're done changing the words, letters, just click on share. Download it and you can see the file type, which of your desired file type you would like to share or download it with. So for example, JPG, and then after you can download all 5 pages. All right. And that's about it. So how can you make money out of it? Basically, you can sell these templates to social media marketers, business owners. If you're a manager, influencer, then you could also make use of this one. All right, that's about it. I hope that you've learned something in today's video. Thank you and bye.